the rules of subject verb agreement, then there are 14 rules. So you put in rule 11 to 14. So the first rule and rule number 11, nouns first takes all verb except the expression appear of is used. First example, Erica's earrings were from Paris. So pair of earrings. Then second example is a pair of earrings was found in the crime scene. So a pair of shoes is take number 2. And the third one is the shoes are made of leather. So this is number 3 example, a pair of shoes. Then last is a pair of shoes made of leather. Sorry for this had used. And that's a thank you then. Rule number 12, Z. I think it's 16.
Rule number 12. A collective noun taking as one unit takes a singular verb. It is plural if the verb, if every member of a group is thought of individual doing his or her task. Example. The jury is expected to join to be objective in its judgment. So, the jury here is a collective noun. It is the linking verb, and it is a singular that describes the jury, that group acting as a whole. Second example, the jury are not expected to be biased with regard to rendering. So the jury again is the collective noun, or is the linking verb, and there is a plural that individual acting as separately. Second example, the committee is expected to join its foundation day. So the collective noun is the committee, is linking verb, it is a singular that modify the committee, that group acting as a whole. Second, the committee are expected to join their foundation day. Again, the committee is the collective noun, or is the linking verb. There is a plural that modify the committee, that individual acting as separately. That's all.
Rule number 13.
Rule number 13. Words like including, as, together with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, do not affect the number of verbs in the main clause. Miss Helen, together with her trainer, plays the piano. Even if we remove together with her trainer, the sentence can stand alone. Miss Helen plays the piano. John, including his father, is driving a motorcycle. Even if we remove again, including his father, John is driving a motorcycle. Because John, they can stand alone, as well as the other example. The Liberties band, as well as the dance troupe, is expected to perform on Acquaintance Day. If we remove the Universities band, is expected to perform on Acquaintance Day. The Theater Guild, including the director and the scriptwriter, is expected to have a dinner meeting with the university president this weekend. If we remove the Theater Guild, is expected to have a dinner meeting with the university president this weekend.
Okay, the last rule of the subject-verb agreement states that the verb agrees with the antecedent of the relative pronoun. By the way, when we say antecedent, it is a word or phrase to which a pronoun refers. So who can read example number 1? Michelle, please read. Okay.
Gilda is one of the girls who want to learn better English.
So, in this sentence, where is the antecedent word of the relative pronoun?
Girls.
So, girls, what is girls? Is it plural
Is it a plural
or singular?
Plural.
And then, where's the verb?
Verb is one.
Oh, okay, thank you. So, in rule number 14, the verb must be agrees with the antecedent of the relative pronoun. So, the antecedent word of the relative pronoun here is girls, which means to a plural then. And then, the verb also must be plural. So, in number 2, example number 2, one of the factories own a number of machineries that are idle as of the moment. So machineries here is the subject, is the antecedent word in which the relative pronoun refers to. Then this stands as a plural, so that's why we use a plural verb also. So the last one is dried mangoes is one of the delicacies that are exported to other countries. So, the delicacies here is the antecedent word of the relative pronoun that refers to delicacy. So, when we say, by the way, when we say that it refers to a thing or
a person?
a person or a thing. So, or food, so delicacies, that's why we use that. Then, delicacies is plural, so that's why we use are. So, I have questions.
I have answers.
I have questions. And why is it that dried mangoes is, we use is, dried
Balik na, no?
mangoes is one of the delicacies that are
Report mo, Reggie.
food.
Di ba amang...
Oh, recall lang ba? Recall. Hindi man ni siya mangoes. Di ba pwede mo siya mango?
Mango.
So, mao ganing, that's why we use dried mangoes is, so, subject man ni siya, no? Dried
Di ba?
mangoes. So, we refer to that whole. So, that's why, one is a brand name, o marag sa mangoes lang ba, so particular name, so, singular siya, mo sa singular ang one.
Mo siya noun as singular.
Oh.
Katulad sa rule 1, 6, no?
Oh, subject siya, singular. So, verb sa pero we can erase this one. Tapos kaning mga relative pronoun.
Pero kuan kung palitan atong itangtang og iog s, ma-affect ba na sa sentence? Dried mango are mausa bang
Mangoes is
gapon dried mango?
depende sa imong kuan, nagkuan siya, meaning niya is kuan, singular. Okay, mana questions wala na.
So man, any violent reactions? Dry, kuan, usara ka po. Na? Is there any kuan? Any violent reactions? Okay. Meeting is adjourned. Thank you for your cooperation.
Mana.
Bye.